Hey guys, it's Isaac here with a new video. This week's MOC is a CORUSCANT SPEEDER, a really sleek looking one too, but it still isn't super small. It can fit 4 minifigures, and all the minifigures are custom. I'm going to show you their cool details in a minute, but first I want to show you the build. It was actually pretty tricky to make this shape correctly. I wasn't basing it off any specific design, but I still knew what I wanted it to look like in my head, so I had to get the shapes just right by doing a lot of sideways building and a few illegal Lego techniques to get it just right. But it ended up looking really good, although it's slightly fragile, and as you can see we've got some wings down here, some winglets coming out the back, and it's kind of roomy inside. 4 full-sized seats with a little bit of space in between the minifigures. We've got some controls in the front behind the windshield, and some big engine intakes on the sides. The bottom isn't exactly meant to be looked at, it's pretty boring, but as you can see the entire main section of the build is built sideways with bricks and plates along here to hold up the main shape of the nose and the sides. It was a lot of fun building in this color scheme because I was limited to only certain pieces, which made the shapes kind of design themselves. I'm going to pop the minifigures out so you can see those now. Alright, here's the CORUSCANT SPEEDER crew. The first guy on the left is the captain. He's sort of in charge. The second guy, some kind of alien. He's got some tubes and sort of a pilot outfit on, as well as an interesting hairdo up on top. The third minifigure is a robot, obviously. He's looking more like the mechanic. He's got some big eyes and some nice silver coloring. The third lady looks more like the diplomatic type person, either that or she's going to a fancy party, but she's also got a smaller blaster. So yeah, that's all of those. Hope you enjoyed this build. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.